For the homeowners out there, you don't put a shingle behind the chimney to prevent water from coming in. So you can see this line right here, that's showing you where the water's been backing up. Now, I've already tore into it, and I'll show you how this metal that they did put here is done wrong. So let's dig into this and see exactly what how bad they did. So you can see they just taped one or glue or caulked one down, and then they flipped this up over like that in order to prevent water from coming in. Surprisingly, there's really no cracks in it actually. So, but water was definitely getting in the chimney, which at some point in time. And as you can see here, they put flashcards. And look at that. Look at this flashcard right here. Now that's an indication of water. Well, guess what happens when you don't flash it all the way? Water's gonna come in your house. And this is just an idea of what their flashing looked like before. Should have a kick out. We'll show you the proper way once we get it done. Kind of show you what Chuck in the Truck does here. So if you guys want it done right, you know who to call. Who they call, bro? Problem solved. 586-651-8927. Give your boy a call. Get your problem solved, not cause.